Great, now that you're all signed up, let's go over how you're going to use the Team SeneLuxe training and duplication system. Now, we used to have a bunch of moving parts, but we have streamlined and simplified, and it all pretty much happens through lipstickempire101.com. On there, on the team home, you're going to find announcements and current info, and then you're going to also find our onboarding system. And that's where not only will you go through all the modules, but when you sign people up, you will direct them to these courses of videos to sign up and to start their own training. When you are ready to recruit, which hopefully is right away because you don't have to have the answers, we have them all there for you, you're just going to start sending your interested prospects to our recruiting events. From there, we work as a team, and those with experience, they basically recruit for you, and then they sign up with you and you plug them into the system and they get started doing the same exact thing. And then you start seeing how we talk and communicate things. It helps increase your confidence, and you'll be sponsoring on your own before you know it. Or you'll continue to use our system forever. Doesn't matter. Either way, as long as you are growing a team and you're happy, I'm happy. All right? So if you have any questions about nuances in the training system, talk with your sponsor, or you can hit one of the Q&As, and the schedule for that will also be on the Team SeneLuxe homepage. All right, so that's just a very brief overview of how you can use lipstickempire101.com.